Okay, so my group works on what we call the de novo design of what we call bioelectronic proteins. The reason we do this is to better understand some of the really incredible processes that happen during cellular respiration and photosynthesis. So we build proteins for electron transfer, right, as a means of understanding this process. So these are some examples we have at the end there. The way we do this, so we use AI in some of the design methodologies. We're very much end users in this. To study these proteins, we use various types of spectroscopy, so ultrafast spectroscopy, looking at processes that happen down to the femtosecond. We also have been more recently doing single molecule work, looking at conductivity through these wires at the single molecule level. And that's it. Thank you.